Let's secure your Facebook account right now. And if you want some background on why we're making these steps and kind of the concepts and theory behind what we're doing, check out this video, or it's in the social media playlist that I will link you to at the end of this video. Believe it or not, despite the bad reputation that Facebook does get for security and privacy, you actually have a lot of control over your own experience on Facebook, at least via the app. First, we're going to make sure that you have a strong password, and I highly recommend using a password manager like NordPass, and there's an affiliate link down in this video description in case you do not have a password manager yet. You can get a strong password like a 20-character password, and that is really kind of the minimum of what I would recommend, and that will be pretty secure. To do that, you're going to hit the menu at the bottom right-hand side of your screen. Then you're going to hit the settings gear icon on the top right. Next, hit password and security. Here you can see a number of interesting security features which we will dive into here in a moment. But first, you can change your password by hitting the change password tab and then simply following the steps. Again, I recommend using a password manager for this step. Next, we need to add an additional layer of security with multi-factor authentication. Go back to the password and security page that we were at before, and then hit the two-factor authentication tab below and follow those steps as well. This adds a critical layer of security in case an attacker is somehow able to get a hold of your password. They'll still have to go through the two-factor authentication step, and that is likely where their attempt to log into your account will fail. Finally, let's take a look at some of the other interesting privacy and security features that Facebook has at your disposal. Staying in the password and security section, you can actually get a look on the different devices and locations that you have active login sections or have logged into Facebook before. This is a pretty interesting feature because you can actually see if you are logged in somewhere that you don't recognize, and you can log out from that location or device from this screen. You can also set notifications and email alerts in case there are fresh logins, which is pretty cool. So that way, if you're out doing something and someone else attempts to log in or successfully logs into your account, you can get notified and you can shut down that login attempt right away. Finally, if you believe that your Facebook account has been hacked, you can go down to the bottom of the screen and submit a ticket to Facebook security staff, and they will be able to investigate that ticket and really dive into whether or not that is a true hacking attempt. Next, you can go back to the settings and privacy section and scroll down to the permissions section. And this is where you can toggle on and off the data that you are allowing Facebook to collect about you. Now, granted, this will impact your general user experience on Facebook, as a lot of the data that they collect is used to personalize not only the advertisements that they send to you, but also the pages that they recommend to you. That being said, it is perfectly fine to toggle those things off if you do prefer a higher level of privacy. And you can do all of that right here at the permissions tab. Working through the security steps that we already talked about at the beginning of this video, also working through this permissions tab for higher privacy will really make your account a lot more secure. And those are things that really benefit you. And now that we've secured Facebook, we can secure a number of other social media in this playlist right here. And again, if the app that you would like to see secured isn't there yet, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned because it will be there eventually. With all that, I'll see you all next time. Bye.